In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download your Base44 app quickly and correctly. This is a simple process, but there's one important thing to know first. You need a subscription to do this. So if you're ready and your account has access, this tutorial will walk you through the exact steps to export your project as a zip file. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Base44 and go to the project you want to download. Make sure you're inside the correct project because the export option applies to the project you currently have open. Once you're in the right place, look to the top right corner of the screen. You should see the 3 dots menu. Click on those 3 dots to open the project options. From the drop-down menu, find the option that says Export Project as Zip. Click that option and Base44 will begin preparing your project for download. Depending on the size of your app, this may take a moment, so give it a few seconds to process. When the export is ready, your browser should start downloading the zip file automatically. That zip file contains your Base44 project and you can save it to your computer for backup, transfer, or later use. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded your Base44 app as a zip file. Again, remember that you need a subscription for this feature, so if you don't see the option, that's the first thing to check. If this tutorial helped, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one.